Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to create table. So basically we can create table in two different ways. First of all, from the selection we select the entire range or area. After that, for example, I come here, select the range. After that I come here to insert, and here under the insert we have the table, and click on this, and here if we have the header we just check this. If we don't have, we uncheck this. So we have the header and I just check this and okay. So now I have a beautiful table here, and whenever I click out of my table, you can see I don't have any option, design option here, but when I click on this it appears here, and from here we have different styles for my table. And when I go here and when I choose, for example, I choose this one, you can see, but here is a problem. You can see it didn't change the header. So why it doesn't change? Because I have added the style from here. You come to the home, you can see from cell style I select this and I come here and make it normal. When I make it normal, it appears here. When I change here to this one, you can see now it works. And from here you can see we have the filter button. I can remove this. I just uncheck this, uncheck this, and here I can remove the entire header row, you can see, and this banded rows we can make banded column. So it depends our work and the place we work. So we can design our table like that. And from here you can see my table is table 3. I can rename my table. For example, I just write here new table and press enter. Easy. And in next videos I will explain why it's important to name our table. And one thing I want to mention, that we cannot use a space, comma or hyphen in naming our table. You can see my table works very beautiful. I just want to change this color. You can see it looks way better right now. And the other way that we can create our table is the shortcut key. Just click wherever you want, just select one cell. After that, Ctrl plus T. You can see it select the entire area. And here I don't want to you can see I have the header here, but I consider that I don't have the header here. I just uncheck this. You can see it selects from cell A3 from here till the last cell. And from here we can edit it. We can just remove this and we come here and select all. And I just want to keep it like this, uncheck and okay. You can see it automatically create a new header for me, but if I want to check that, it will not. So I want to remove my header from here. Yep, it looks pretty good right now. So today that's it. So if you're new here, Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.